In this guide, you will learn how to fix Instagram call not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app update. So close this, launch your app store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you see the option update, you'll need to click on that and update the app to its latest version. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check for call settings. For that, close this, launch your settings app. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Now here you're going to find different option. Make sure you have enabled contacts, likewise photos, microphone, and you have given access of calls if available over here. Once you check this, your problem might be resolved. If these solution didn't work out for you, what you can do is launch Instagram, navigate to profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down, click on the option help. Now click on the option report a technical problem. Click on report problem without shaking. Click on the option don't include and continue. Now here you'll need to briefly explain about the issue that Instagram call is not working and send it. With this, Instagram support team will get back to you, and that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram call not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.